guys, so I'm coming back with this nappy hair. Like, I've been having my hair like this for a full week, and I just decided to do something to it because we're getting ready to go somewhere, and I just need the hair to have a quick hairstyle so I won't be looking like a fool. So, I'm gonna start off with a cute little braid down the center of my head. I haven't even washed my hair, guys, so I'm just going with the flow. I'm just trying to hurry up and get something done so I won't be taking all day because it's the morning and I like breakfast food, so I ain't trying to miss breakfast. So I'm trying to hurry up and get my hair done. But I'm gonna just quickly do a center braid, and as you can see, I'm just putting on some, what is it, like edge control jam on my hair, just so it can look somewhat intact in the front. Cause I'll just, like I said, I'm just trying to hurry up. So I'm just going ahead and braid this down the center, and I'm doing pretty good to be in a rush. So I don't know if it's as centered as it can be, and I know I can do better, guys. But when you're in a rush and you know how to braid, this style is gonna be perfect for someone that just got some leftover hair sitting around. Y'all gonna see that later. I'm just the type of person, like, I like to reuse hair, and so for this style that I'm going with, it's a half up and half down with a design in the front. And I was going to do my whole half of my head at the front, but I didn't really have time, so I decided just to go ahead and do a cute little style in the front. It's like a crisscross. It's a one braid in the middle, and then I crisscross two other braids. And you kind of see what I'm talking about. I don't know what's the name for it, but yeah, guys. So just keep watching. All right, so here's where I'm just pretty much finishing up this little design in my head. Y'all remember when we used to write down these papers and do these like S's? It remind me of that so much. I don't know why, but if you could really look close, I got one braid that's thicker than the other. I'm telling you guys, I was not trying to be perfect, but if you're someone that's trying to be perfect, please part your hair straight so it can look more neater than what it's looking now. But it still turned out good. So right here, I half in my hair. I got the bottom in a ponytail, the top in a ponytail. So usually I do a crochet where it's to the actual braid, but like I said, I'm in a rush and we're going somewhere this morning, so I'm going to go ahead and use this leftover crocheted hair that I had from a previous hairstyle, and I'm just going to crochet it into the actual ponytail. So you're going to see how I do this. So I started with the top first because I didn't know how much hair I had in that bag. I know I threw away some pieces, and so I just went ahead and wanted to make sure that my ponytail was full before I just started, crocheting all over the place in the back of my head and not have enough, and then having to take some out, just doing double work. So I thought the smartest way was for me to start off at the front. So you're gonna see me crochet my ponytail at the top. Okay, so now we're gonna get ready to start in the back of my head, and I just kind of went around the ponytail because I wanted to make sure that was covered. The ones around my ponytail would be like pretty close, but then as I start to get closer to the top of my head, I would like spread them out or something like that. I don't know, but you'll see how I'm doing it. It's really simple and easy. This style was a good go-to style for someone that just trying to do something in a hurry.